Hello guys. In recent years, the world of e-commerce has witnessed revolutionary business model now as drop shipping. The innovative approach has transformed new enterprises start and manage their online store, eliminating the need for inventory management, upfront investment, and complex logistics. In this video, we will explore the concept of drop shipping, its benefit and challenging, and its evolving role in the modern business landscape. Let's begin. Up Understanding dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where the seller does not keep any physical product in stock. Instead, the seller partner with supplier or wholesaler who handle the inventory and shipment process. When a customer places an order on the seller online store, the seller transfer the order detail to the supplier who then ship the product directly to the customer. As a result, the seller does not have to handle the product directly, allowing them to focus on marketing, customer service, and driving sales. The benefit of dropshipping: low startup cost. One of the major advantages of dropshipping is its low barrier to entry. Traditional retail model requires significant upfront investment in inventory, warehouses, and fulfillment infrastructure. With dropshipping, enterprises can launch an online store with minimal financial risk since they only purchase product from supplier after receiving order from customer. Flexibility and scalability. Dropshipping offer a tremendous flexibility for business owners since they do not need to manage inventory. Enterprises can experiment with a wide range of products without the risk of being stuck with unsold items. Additionally, dropshipping allows for easy scaling as the business grows with suppliers handling the increasing volume of orders. Wide product range. Dropshipping enables sellers to offer a vast array of products without the need for physical storage space. Enterprises can create their product catalog from multiple suppliers, providing customers with a diverse selection to choose from. Location independence. The online nature of dropshipping enables enterprises to run their business from anywhere with an internet connection. This freedom allows for a flexible lifestyle and the opportunity to tap into global market. Challenges and strategies for success. Intense competition. Dropshipping has gained popularity, leading to increased competition in various niches. To stand out, enterprises most focus on identifying unique product offering, developing a story, strong branding, and providing exceptional customer service. Supplier reliability. Relying on supplier for product quality and timely shipping can be challenges. Thoroughly researching and vetting supplier, establishing clear communication channel, and regularly monitoring their performance can mitigate these risks. Profit margin and pricing. Since the seller does not have control over the product cost, pricing become a critical factor in dropshipping. Balancing competitive price while maintaining healthy profit margin required careful consideration and ongoing optimization. Customer experience. As the face of the business, seller must prioritize providing a positive customer experience, they including efficient order processing, timely and accurate communication, and promptly resolving the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification for more amazing content.